Namaste and hello everyone. Today is World Pharmacist Day 2020. I am Ramakant Lamichane and I am also a pharmacist. As a pharmacist, I want to appreciate all the pharmacists around the world for their great work, for their great contribution for the sake of people's health around the world. As a pharmacist, I want to share something here. I want to talk a little bit about the things that would be helpful and informative to the pharmacy students. Actually, after graduating, they have many options, many choices to pursue the further studies or to do jobs. So here I am going to discuss something which would help them to decide what to do when they graduate. The graduates can pursue masters and PhD and gradually establish themselves as research scientists. Most of the pharmacists who are research scientists work in the field of drug discovery and development. If you are interested in chemistry, that is chemical structure and chemical properties, chemical reactions, all this stuff are very important if you want to pursue medicinal chemistry and natural product chemistry in your master's degree. Medicinal chemistry is particularly focused towards the synthesis of chemical compounds which have potential to become a drug. Whereas in natural product chemistry, we try to isolate and identify the compounds from the plant resources. Another field of study that you can join is pharmacology. In this field, you will do the research works on the chemical compound which have the potential to be developed as drug. You will check the activities of this compound in vitro and in vivo level. That is, you have to do research works in cell and animal model. In pharmaceutics, the main research will be focused on the formulation or the dosage form. The major research in this field is about how we can increase the viability of the medicine, how we can increase the stability of the medicine, how we can increase the solubility, or how we can decrease the toxic effect of the drug. We may have challenge to develop a drug into different formulations like solid dosage form, liquid dosage form, injectable form, etc. The research works in nanoparticle and microparticle drug delivery system is growing popularity day by day. This sort of drug delivery system try to target a drug in particular part of the body. After completing B Pharmacy, we can join or we can do job as a hospital or clinical pharmacist, community pharmacist and industrial pharmacist. Hospital pharmacists may consult with physicians and other medical professionals but spend more of their time in pharmacy preparing medications for patients. But in case of clinical pharmacists, they spend most of their time interacting with patients and medical professionals. Community pharmacists, they give services to the people in the community regarding medication and health services. Industrial pharmacists, they work in various departments in industry. There are various departments like quality control, quality assurance, research and development, etc. The most important thing is that all the pharmacists Whether he is hospital or clinical pharmacist, community pharmacist or industrial pharmacist, he or she can perform various kinds of research works while doing their job or while they are in their respective working places. Hospital or clinical pharmacists can do various research works like prescribing pattern of different drugs in the hospital, major and minor side effects of drugs reported in the hospital, and different kinds of survey type of research works like knowledge, attitude and practice of patients regarding the medication of different diseases. And in case of community pharmacy, pharmacists can work together to conduct various types of researches, like they can conduct research works on evaluation of patients' adherence to medication after intervention of community pharmacies, and they also can do research works on satisfaction of patients from community pharmacy based services. They also can find out the impact of community pharmacies based counseling on the glucose management of patients or other problems. In industry also, the pharmacist can do various types of research works in the separate department called research and development department. After completing B Pharmacy, there are job opportunities in regulatory bodies and ministries of governments. In Nepal, we have different regulatory bodies like DDA, Department of Drug Administration, National Medicine Laboratory, NML, and we have different departments in different ministries related to health, and there also we can find the position or vacancy for pharmacists. These regulatory bodies have different responsibilities and tasks. Like they have to control and manage the drug import and distribution, they have to make policy and guidelines, they have to observe, give directions and regulations for the activities, services and operations of different health sectors, pharmaceutical companies, hospital pharmacies, community pharmacies. They are the one to ensure production of effective and quality drugs. They have to prepare drug polymers and essential drug list, etc. So from this short discussion, we see that as a pharmacist we have many opportunities and role to play. We also have many responsibilities to fulfill. If we realize them and be honest and work together, we can make a healthy world. Let's work together for transferring global health. And that will be the true celebration of World Pharmacist Day 2020. Thank you.